Laundering with a washing machine. Check the condition of the electrical plugs and wires. Prepare the laundry items and wear a protective equipment. Get hold of a white cloth for the laundry items and lay it on your work area. Place in the items for laundry and wrap into a secure bundle. Check the weight of the bundle. Ensure the weight does not exceed the capacity of your washing machine. Load the laundry items in the washing machine. Turn on the washing machine. Select the appropriate settings for water level, washing time, rinsing and spinning cycle. When the buzzer sounds, remove the laundry items immediately. Remove the clothes and put them in the laundry basket. Turn off the washing machine. After washing, you may proceed drying the laundry items. Clean the filter of the dryer. Check the drum and wipe dry if necessary. Load the laundered items in the dryer. Select the appropriate drying temperature. When the dryer completed the cycle, remove the items.